sickness. I have a sickness. Okay, this is part 2 of my shopping haul. Sunday shopping. We're doing the Stockx one next. So if you watched the first part, I did a Goyard unboxing. But this is part 2. Steal of a deal from Stockx. Even though my last one was a little iffy, we're still dealing with that. That's on another video, the Anjou I just got. Another video, go check that out. But we're gonna do a quick Stockx steal video. I have a sickness. Okay, this was not even an impulse, but this is a gift I'm getting for someone from a year from now. That is how, I think I'm a hoarder. I think I'm a hoarder and a shopaholic. Like a shopaholic hoarder, you know what I mean? Like it was a deal and my brain is like, I have to get the deal now instead of like waiting for another deal or waiting for later because maybe this deal will never come again. So it was a more affordable price than retail, France retail, and it's a gift for my cousin's 60th birthday. That makes me sound old, but that's not, I'm not, but it's just like family trees and things like that. You know what I mean? Anyway, so it's a gift. So if you're watching, which I doubt he is, but if he is watching, this is for you, but I'm definitely not watching. Anyway, I wanted to get it early because I was like, oh, I'll get it now. And because it's a deal and then just save it. So I'm a hoarder because I'm going to hold on to it and also a shopaholic. Okay. So, hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic. And today we're doing a quick quick unboxing. Shopaholic hoarder. I am a hoarder. I like to shop and I like to hoard. I'm buying a present for somebody a year earlier than I need to, just because it was a deal. Steal of a deal. Stockx Sundays, steal of a deal. Stockx steal of a deal. Sundays, steal of a deal. Shopaholic chic. Not secondhand though, first hand. We have a second hand coming up from the rear rail next, okay? So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. Again, my membership tier is now open and available. Thank you, Brian. It's now open and available, so go check it out. I'm gonna start posting membership only content later this month and then definitely more next month. So I'm gonna start setting it up, doing things. Let me know in the comments what you want, what you wanna see, what you don't wanna see. And if you join and what you want to see and everything like that. Okay, so if that's what you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing and keep on watching. We're gonna unbox it on Stockx. Like I said, it's a gift. Quick Stockx, go out, find, steal the deal, unbox it, look at it, see, make sure it's good. Even my last one wasn't that good, and then talk about it, and then that's it. And that's gonna be it. 3 videos. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Christ's sake! Christ's sake! Okay, thank you guys. All right, that's all I got. Okay, I unboxed it, you guys, and I'm a little disappointed. And then you made me fake again too. Here it is. It's the gray Victoire wallet. I mean, it looks good, but then the color seems a little dull and off. And then the stamp seems a little off inside. And the stamp for the serial number seems a little off inside too. And like here, for example, look. Like the shine is also off too. Goyard. Okay. Then interiors, stamp for stamp. It's the made in France part that's off, and the Paris. Goyard's right, but the Paris made in France is the wrong font. And then, on top of that, the serial number is the wrong size. Okay, so anyway, I was very excited about this because it was under retail, but I guess that's why it was under retail because it's not good, okay? So, I'll do a little quick comparison video of this versus this, and then I'm gonna try to return this too. So that's 2 down for Stockx. The other ones were good, but these 2 are down, so now we're in a weird limbo land. So now I'm gonna feel like I'm gonna hold off on Stockx because it feels like it's a hit or miss, okay? I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. That's all I got for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with a friend and family. Hate each other. Any next. I know your time is valuable and your time is precious. I appreciate it. So I'll do a separate video comparing them, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, okay?